Queensland, Australia, March 20, 2026.
God damn!
Tropical Cyclone Narelle made landfall on the Cape York Peninsula, North Queensland, Australia, Friday, March 20 morning. As it approached the coast, Narelle's intensity became Category 4. Winds near the center of the storm reached 195 kilometers per hour, with gusts of up to 270 kilometers per hour. Residents are reporting extreme winds have felled trees and damaged roofs as the system barrels across the Cape towards the Gulf of Carpentaria. Some more photos are coming in from the area around Cairns, which is experiencing a strong storm surge. Far north, some of the beaches are also accreting or gaining more sand due to the heavy winds and surf. Hats where will leave the Northern Territory Authorities press conference. Taking quick look at a traffic camera over the Archer River shows just how much rivers have swelled since Tropical Cyclone Narelle made landfall this morning. Tropical Cyclone Narelle moved west and crossed the coast of North Queensland between Lockhart River and Cowan. Narelle is expected to move across the Cape York Peninsula as a tropical cyclone during Friday while weakening, according to Australia's Bureau of Meteorology, BOM. Narelle will then continue to move west across the Gulf of Carpentaria and is expected to strengthen again into a severe tropical cyclone before impacting the eastern Northern Territory from Saturday evening.
Holy shit!
The warning zone, the Bureau of Meteorology said, is on the Cape York Peninsula between the Lockhart River and Cape Melville, and between Mapoon and Pormpuraaw, including Cowan, Weipa, and Orican. The watch zone extends from Nhulunbuy to Port MacArthur, including Borroloola, Numbulwer, Aliangula, Nooker and Bulman, the Bureau of Meteorology said. Narelle brought very destructive winds, strong gusts, heavy rain and large waves. Ergon Energy crews in Mariba are getting ready to deploy to remote far north Queensland if needed to restore power. They're using today to pack tools, equipment and food. Minister for Emergency Management Christy McBain says disaster recovery funding arrangements have been enacted across a range of LGAS in Queensland and the Northern Territory. Cooktown has largely escaped unscathed from any serious effects from Tropical Cyclone Narelle.